Hi, my name's Graham. Are you tired of doing those faddy diets that don't have any effect? Well, I once did that, and I went from 17 stone to 12 stone. Going on the journey again. Do you want to come with me? 5 years ago, I was 18 stone and I went down to 12 stone, but I did it my way. No faddy diets, and I don't even like using the word diet. It's a 4-letter word to me because a diet means it's temporary. And what I want to do isn't temporary. This has got to be permanent. And I did it in very small steps. Little battles, little victories, and little victories in the end, you win the war. A lot of people ask me how I managed to go from 18 stone to 12 stone in such a short time. And I'll tell you now straight, it wasn't no fancy diet or abstaining or running 20 miles a day. It wasn't none of that. It was just simple steps. And what I'm going to do in this and subsequent videos is show you how I did it. I've got to pass this on. It works. It worked for me and it worked for you. Week 1, we're cutting out the sugar. But what I want you to do is weigh yourself and take a photograph. And then a week later, weigh yourself again and take another photograph. And you'll see how much sugar has affected your body. Little side note from when I did it last time, I had slight withdrawal feelings, as I think we all will. And it will vary from person to person, but it's not something we can't overcome. When I say cutting out the sugar, the obvious things are cakes, biscuits, even in your coffee. If you're having 3 sugars, take it down to 2, take it down to 1, or ideally, cut the sugar. There are many foods out there where the sugars are actually hidden, but there are apps out there that we can fight that with. Food scanner. Food scanner is excellent. It goes, all you have to do is scan a product and it'll tell you how much sugar is in there, and you will be surprised. When we talk about sugar and cutting it out, a lot of you may turn to sweeteners and artificial sweeteners. Me personally, I don't think they work. Because the taste is never the same, and if it's not the same, then what is the point? So, but if you can't do that and you need a little bit of sugar, by all means, do so. It's not the end of the world, it just means your journey will be a little bit longer, that's all. Right, here we go. This is the first weigh-in on the first week. I'm going to use these scales. You can use any kind of scales, bathroom scales, whatever. But I'm going to use these because they link to my phone and they give me other quirky information like body water, muscle mass, your BMI, which your doctor always wants. He goes, if you're interested in those sort of things, go to the link below and you can pick yourself up a pair. So here comes the weigh-in. So come along on a journey with me. Let's see where it takes us. We've got nothing to lose, have we? I've done this before, it worked, and I'm sure it'll work for you as well. Oh yeah, by the way, can you give us a like? Because not only will it help you and help me, it will help others who are also in the same position as us.